You guys, look at my baby girl, how cute she is. Hi, Sarah. Say good morning to the Fibs. Say good morning, Fibs. Hey, princess. Sarah. Sarah. I have to go in front of her because she's watching TV. She's so cute. And this one is so cute too. But look at him. He says he's cool. Say good. Oh. Say good morning to the Fibs. You're still cold. I just give him a shower to wash his hair. We're going out right now. Look at him. Look at his face. You're handsome though. Handsome? Yes. Alright, let's do this intro real quick. Hi Fibs, good morning, morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here. The weather, I must say, is looking so good outside. Looking as beautiful as your girl. Look at this one. You guys, we are heading out right now. Going to have lunch with my cousin-in-laws. Yeah, so that's what we're doing on this beautiful Sunday. My voice is leaving me, as you guys can hear. I don't know why. I think I'm getting sick. Coming down with something. It's always my throat first to go. But we are running a little bit behind. So I'm gonna leave you guys right here and head out right now. Because, you know, I don't like to be late. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. And let's see what we have to show you throughout the rest of today's vlog. So, let's go. Hey guys, I'm coming to you guys with my rusty voice. That's what you guys will be getting today and maybe tomorrow if I don't get better throughout the night, if I don't get any better. We've been back off the road for a while. I did not get to show you guys where we went. It's one of those days where I wasn't feeling like pulling out the camera while we were conversating and eating and all that. So I did not vlog while we were there. Unfortunately, but that's okay. You guys will get to see the cousin another time. But I think you guys have seen him before in vlogs way back when we went to a park one night. But anyway, we got back and everybody's just tired. It's just like a draining day really. So I just jumped in the kitchen and made some salmon. But I had quinoa in the fridge and I just threw a little corn and some veggies on that. Let me show you guys. So that's dinner for me. This little one here already ate. That little one there already ate. And they're just chilling because they're so tired right now. And I am going to rest my voice and go and eat. So that I can probably come back and end the vlog with babe later. Okay.
It's almost gone.
It's almost gone, right? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna try and eat something. Oh, and what I didn't tell you guys is that the apple pie that I woke up and made apple pie this morning to carry to lunch with us for dessert. So I'll show you guys that. I'll insert that clip right now so you guys can see where I made the apple pie, and I also made bread pudding this morning, so you guys will see that right now.
not watching me. Somebody's watching us, baby. Look, there's a camera here. Freeze.
Hello, Sarah. Cuckoo, Sarah.
Mama, you remember of the smile? You remember when last time when Dad died last? When I had the fire, you remember when Dad died?
The smell is coming from your brain.
Yes, that's too funny.
What's that? Was it about 20 years ago? Yeah, about 20 years ago. Was it a song in Jamaica that is called Waza? All along, that's the only thing that they say. Waza.
Nah. No.
No.
Stupid song that
I
would
need
be.
I need to look for it online and to make you discover this wonderful
God, that's
song.
like a nightmare.
That's
You guys.
all along the song.
If you no feet, no please.
They say Waza. You know, sometimes in France we have songs that make them like the English and no people there and they just come here. They're saying some crazy things. Waza. Because I got high.
Look at my
Because I
glasses
got
that I asked you to look for. Look at my glasses that I asked you to look for.
There. What is? Okay. Well, you can see them. So why you ask me them? Because I got high. You know this one? Na 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 na. Because I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. Na na. Anyway, guys, we had a good day. It was cool hanging with family. Always cool when there's family around and you can just take a day, and yeah, that's cool, especially for us that we are the city that we have nobody, and yeah, that's very good. You had a good day?
Yeah.
It's a Saturday. In 2 days it's back to school for Tyler. So tomorrow will be the last
Vacation day.
So what is he gonna do? You know tomorrow.
Anyway, you guys,
I don't think he's gonna rest. I think it's gonna be everywhere.
I am going to rest my voice. I'm leaving you guys here for tonight. I'm gonna find me some Strepsil, take some NyQuil, and head to bed, because this man, Jesus, y'all see what he's doing to me, tying up my hair around my neck. You tell boo? He's a fool.
Anyway, guys, thank you for all the love you're sending us every day. We are very thankful. So we want to say a huge thankful today. If you like this video, don't forget to
give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on your post notification. That way you don't miss the upload Mondays to Fridays. We love you guys. Catch my keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
So why the light is like if I'm a Christmas tree? Bing.
Which light?
Bing.
I don't know. Cause it's reflection of the TV.
Blink.
Look at this man gonna have to bring me to bed right now. Come, let Faith see you bringing me.
Because I got high. 1, 2, 3. Waza.